How to watch offline on YouTube Kids. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will show you how you can watch videos offline on YouTube Kids. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch YouTube Kids in your mobile device. Now, in order to watch videos offline on YouTube Kids, first of all you have to download that video. So here, find out the video that you want to save and watch offline. Next to that video, tap on this three dots icon here. You have an option as download video, so tap on the download video and wait for a while until the video gets downloaded. Now once the download is complete, to find your downloaded video, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. So from here, tap on the parent settings at the bottom right corner. Then you have to solve the problem here. Then tap on submit. Once you do that, you'll be taken into settings. Now to find your downloaded video, tap on this download option right here, and on that page you will find all of your videos downloaded and you can watch them offline without any internet or mobile data. And that's it. That's how you can watch offline on YouTube Kids, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.